This is an old school CE5 you're seeing from 2015 in Staten Island, New York. There's a 2-story building, and there was a plane to the right flashing, and now you're going to see an illuminated object, an orb, a UFO. It's circled with this white circle. This object was just gliding nicely above this building. I was listening to a Dr. Stephen Greer guided meditation, and I noticed to get very, very good results just by playing Dr. Greer's voice or the crop circle tones. One after another, orbs would appear, and this is in New York City, so it's a restricted airspace. There's no drones, there's no satellites. I had a star chart to check all that stuff out, but you can't fly anything that low to the ground as well. So what you're seeing here when you're setting that peaceful intention out into the cosmos, the validation in return is seeing this object appear, glide, power up, accelerate, and take off.